In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-factor authentication for security on Facebook. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have an extra layer of protection on your account, which helps keep your personal information much safer. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account you want to protect. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small menu that gives you quick access to your account options. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook groups most of the tools that control how your account behaves and how your information is handled. When you click it, another set of options will appear just below. Next, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage everything from your profile details to your security preferences. You might notice several sections on the left or across the top depending on your device, but we're going to focus on the area that controls account security. Within Settings, look for something called Account Center and click on it. Facebook uses Account Center to manage security and login settings across its different apps, such as Facebook and Instagram, from one central place. Even if you only use Facebook, this is where you'll adjust your two-factor authentication. Once you're inside Account Center, find the option labeled Password and Security and click it. This section is dedicated to keeping your login details and account access secure. Take a moment to notice the different options here. It's good to know where things like login alerts and saved devices are located. Now look for two-factor authentication and click on it. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a feature that asks for an extra verification step when you log in, usually a code sent to your phone, or generated by an app. Even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to get in without that second code. On the two-factor authentication page, you'll be asked to select which account you want to protect. If you see more than one account listed, choose your Facebook account from the list. Finally, Facebook will ask you to type in your account password and click Continue. This step confirms that it's really you making these security changes. Enter your password carefully, click Continue, and follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting up two-factor authentication